Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Sethi from Pendra branch, Dream India School. So today my topic is fundamental rights. I am going to teach you today fundamental rights. What are they? There are near about 10 to 12 fundamental rights, but here I have taken 6 fundamental rights. But before going ahead, I would like to focus on the map or the globe here which has been painted. So here you can see there are two hands shaking with each other. It says that the whole world is equal. There is no discrimination among the people. All the people are same. Now I am going to teach you about the fundamental rights. Let me take the first fundamental right. The first fundamental right is right to education. Okay. Now let me fix it first. Right to education comes here. Then the next fundamental right I have is right to justice. Right to justice. Let me fix it. Next fundamental right I have is right to speech. Right to speech. Okay, next, let me fix it. Next fundamental right I have is right to freedom. The next fundamental right is right to equality. The last fundamental right I have taken is right against exploitation. Okay, let me fix it. Okay, now I am going to tell you the importance of all these fundamental rights. First, I have taken right to education. Right to education means people or the children below the age of 14 years has the right to get free and compulsory education till the age of 14. Nobody can stop them by doing this. Okay. Now the next fundamental right is the right to justice. The right to justice says that all the people of our country are equal before the law. Nobody can be discriminated on the ground of class, creed or color. Okay. Now the next fundamental right is right to speech. Every people of our country has right to speech against any illegal things going around us. Okay. The next fundamental right is right to freedom. Every people has right to move from one place to another place, and nobody will has to take the permission to move from one place to another place. Okay. The next fundamental right I have is right to equality. Right to equality says that all the people are equal before the law and nobody can be discriminated on the basis of their class, creed or color. The last fundamental right is right against exploitation. As we all know, the children are getting abused day by day and illegal trafficking is taking place day by day. So to stop this right against exploitation law has been implemented to stop the corruption going around our country. So this is all from me. Have a nice day. Thank you.